friends, you are watching Kids Education with Khanak, and today we will be reading a book that is called Hiccups for Elephant. This is a fiction book. It is not a true story. And do you know what hiccups are? Hiccups are this. Sometimes we do that. So in this book, poor elephant has hiccups. And he cannot stop them. And his friends try helping him to get rid of those hiccups. And now we're going to find out that if he gets rid of those hiccups and what ideas his friends give him. So let's get started. Hiccups for Elephant. Wow, look at all these animals. And I feel like this is going to be an animal story. This is Chimp. This is Zebra. This is Mouse. And this is Lion. And all the animals, look, if you see, they're opening their mouths and sleeping, but not Zebra. Well, I noticed something very funny. Lion's tail is like a blanket for Mouse. And that tells me that they're best friends. Now let's start reading. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. He fell down his tree because he's so scared. What happened down there? Well, this is how human beings hiccup. Something like that. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant's like, what? Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Well, in this picture, he is standing on his head and eating the banana. Well, do you know why he fell? Because elephants are so heavy, they can't really balance like we do, like human beings. And look at Chimp's face. He's like, uh-oh. Hiccup! Lion woke up. Now let's see if Lion's idea will cure elephant's hiccups. Well, look at Lion's fat tummy. That is kind of fat. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water very, very fast. Elephant's like, no way! Elephant gave it a try. So all the animals are trying to help Elephant get rid of his hiccups because they all are best friends of Elephant. So Lion gave Elephant his idea. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Here he is drinking all the water. Very, very fast. Hiccup! Zebra woke up. Well, Lion's idea sure didn't work. Well, Zebra's like, oh, what is happening? I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath, and count to 10, backwards. Elephant's so tired of trying all the things. Poor Elephant. Elephant gave it a try. Wow, such a brave friend. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Well, Zebra's idea still didn't work too. Mouse woke up. Mouse is so mad. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep, he said in a mad voice back there. Well, poor elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Now Chimp is trying to explain to Mouse what is happening. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Look how scared Elephant looks, like he didn't even know Mouse was gonna do that. And look at these animals over here. They're like, oh my gosh, how did the little mouse do this? Like, how did the little mouse help Elephant get rid of his hiccups and we couldn't? Works every time, Mouse said. He's so proud of himself. And look at Elephant. He's like, finally. All the animals fell back to sleep, just like how they were before. But Zebra is lying on Lion, like, kind of weirdly. Except for Elephant. Achoo! First of all, he had the hiccups, and now he's sneezing? Seriously? Come on. Well, that was the end of the story. Hiccups for Elephant. And guys, didn't you like this book? I loved it. And I'll keep on reading more and more and more interesting stories for you. See you in my next video. Bye.